When setting up a new campaign, consider creating one for search and one for content. Having a separate content campaign will give you more flexibility and control over your content performance. Once you've started the new campaign creation process, you will find yourself at the campaign settings page. Your campaign name should be easy to remember and descriptive of the content of the ad groups. Next, select your audience settings. This section consists of setting geographic locations and language. Geographic location is the physical area where you want your ads to show. When setting up a geographic location, remember to think about your target audience and where you can best find them. For instance, if you are a local wedding planner operating in San Francisco, California, it's probably not a good idea to target users all over the United States. Next, choose your language preferences. This is the language your users search with. When selecting a language, remember that only users who have that language set as their default language will be able to see your ads. For example, if I select Spanish as my target language, no German speakers will see my ads. This helps prevent your ads from showing to users who would not be interested in your product or be able to understand your website. Next, select your preferred networks and devices settings. By default, the AdWords system will have pre-selected the All Available Sites and Devices button, but as we are focusing on setting up a Google Content Network campaign in this episode, we will click the Let Me Choose radio button to change these settings. After clicking this button, a new menu will appear. By default, both the Google Search Network and Content Network are checked. However, since we only want to target the Content Network, we will uncheck the Google Search box, which will automatically uncheck the Search Partners box as well. Feel free to customize the list as you prefer. Now, let's move to the bidding and budget section. For this section, the choice of bidding options can remain set to the default option of manual bidding. For the daily budget option, however, enter the maximum amount you are willing to pay each day. This can be any number greater than $1. With that, you have successfully completed all of your campaign settings and are ready to move on to ad group creation.